Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing a yoga sequence to help improve digestion. According to Ayurveda, the root cause of all disorders lies in poor digestion. So if you have any stomach or intestine related issues, this practice should help you in stimulating and improving your overall digestive system. We'll begin the practice with some yoga asanas and we'll end with the Agnisar Kriya. So once you're ready, let's hop onto the mat and get going.
Let's start by sitting on our knees in Vajrasana with our toes together and heels apart. Straighten your back and take a breath here. Interlock your fingers. As you inhale, straighten both the arms up and stretch towards the ceiling. Slowly come back and relax. Again, inhale, stretch both the arms up and extend your spine towards the ceiling. Slowly come back. Last time, inhale, stretch up. Stay for a breath. Then again, as you inhale, stretch sideways to the right as you look up. Come back. Inhale, stretch to the left side. And come back. Bring both the hands down and relax. Now bring both the hands to the mat in front of you to come into a tabletop position. Place your hands below the shoulders and knees below the hips. As you take a deep breath in, curve your spine and let your belly drop to look up. As you exhale, push your hands into the ground, curve your back and look at your navel. Again, inhale, curve up as you fill your belly with air. Exhale, curl down, pulling the navel in towards the back. Again, inhale, curve up. Exhale, curl down and bring everything in. Let's do this 2 more times at your own pace. Be mindful of your breath. Last one, inhale up. Exhale, curl down. And come back to neutral. Now sit back in Vajrasana with your knees together. As you inhale, extend your arms up. And as you exhale, start folding forward to bring your hands to the mat to come into Child's Pose. Stay here in Child's Pose or Balasana for a few breaths as you feel the stretch in your lower back. Now come back up to all fours and then lie down on your tummy with your legs straight and hands right next to your shoulders. Bring both the feet together. As you inhale, raise your torso up to come into Cobra Pose or Bhujangasana. Stay here for a breath as you keep your shoulders relaxed and rolled back. Slowly come back down. Again, inhale, raise your torso up to come into Cobra Pose. Keep your elbows tucked in close to the chest. Slowly come back down. Let's do it one more time. Inhale, come up. Feel the stretch in your abdomen and come back down. Bring the hands in front with one hand resting on top of the other. Turn your head to one side and rest it on the hands. Stay here in Makarasana or the crocodile pose for a few breaths. Crocodile pose is great for gently massaging the abdominal organs and relaxing them. Slowly come back up to sitting position. Fold your knees and bring the left heel on the outside of the right hip. Place the right foot on the outside of the left knee. Ground your sitting bones and straighten your back, taking support of your hands. Then as you inhale, extend the left arm up, and as you exhale, bring the left elbow on the outside of the right knee and twist to the right. You can keep the left hand bent or place it on the ground for support. Stay in the twist for a breath, maintaining a straight back. Then slowly come back, switch sides, bring the right foot on the outside of the left hip and the left foot on the outside of the right knee. Inhale, bring the right hand up, and as you exhale, bring it on the outside of the left knee and twist. Stay for a breath as you look over the left shoulder. And come back. Now bring both the feet in front of you. Place the hands on the knees for support. As you inhale, tilt your torso slightly back. Roll your shoulders back, open the chest and straighten your spine. Then slowly raise your feet up to come into boat pose or Navasana. You can keep your knees bent. If you're comfortable here, release the hands. Suck your belly in and engage your core as you stay here in Navasana for a couple of breaths. Then lower your torso and feet simultaneously to come into Ardha Navasana. Stay for 10, 9, 8. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And slowly come all the way down and relax. Now fold your knees and bring the soles of the feet on the ground close to your hips. Bring the hands close to the feet. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, slowly start raising your hips up to come into bridge pose or Setu Bandhasana. Bring the hands below the hips to interlock the fingers and wriggle your shoulders together. Let's take 3 deep breaths here. As you inhale, fill your belly with air. Make sure your knees are not falling out. Slowly come back down. Let's do this one more time. Inhale. And as you exhale, rise up to bridge pose. Stay for 3 deep breaths, breathing into the belly. Setu Bandh Asana is great for strengthening the back, glutes and the hamstrings. It improves blood circulation, stimulates abdominal organs and improves digestion. Slowly come back down and straighten your legs. Now we'll do Pavan Mukta Asana. Bend the right knee and bring it close to your chest. Grab the right leg with both the hands. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, raise the head to bring the nose close to the right knee. Stay here in Ardha Pavan Mukta Asana for a breath. And slowly release. Switch legs. Bring the left knee close to the chest, keeping the right leg straight. Interlock the fingers around the left leg. Inhale, and as you exhale, rise to Ardha Pavan Mukta Asana. Stay for a breath and release. Now bend both the knees and bring the thighs to the chest. Interlock your fingers on the shin bones just below the knees. Inhale deeply And as you exhale, raise your head and bring the nose close to the knees. You can roll side to side to massage the spine here in Pavan Muktasana. See what feels nice. After a few breaths, release the pose and straighten the legs. Now bring both the knees to the chest and grab the feet from the outside, pulling the knees down outside the chest. Try to keep your tailbone on the ground and the calves perpendicular to the floor. Stay here in happy baby pose for a few breaths. You can roll side to side again to massage the spine. Then slowly release and straighten the legs. Now bend the right knee and bring it on the outside of the left hip. Try to keep the right shoulder on the ground and look towards the right side. Feel the gentle twist in your spine. Stay here in Supta Matsyendra Asana for a few breaths. Then release, and let's do it for the left side. Bring the left knee in towards the chest and then take it on the outside of the right hip. Look towards the left. Keep taking deep relaxing breaths as you feel the release in your lower back. Gently release the pose and relax. Slowly come up and sit on your heels with knees wide open. Place your hands on the knees. We'll end the practice with 3 rounds of Agnisar Kriya to stimulate the digestive fire. Take a deep breath in, and then as you exhale fully, pull the navel in towards the back and bring your chin down close to the chest. Now pull your stomach in and out while holding the breath out. Just go at a pace comfortable for you. When you cannot hold the breath any longer, relax your stomach, bring the chin up, and then take a deep breath in. Now take a few normal breaths here. This was 1 round of Agnisar. We'll do 2 more. Take a deep breath in, exhale fully and pull the navel in, bring the chin down, and start expanding and contracting the stomach. Try to complete at least 10 rounds. Then soften the stomach, bring the chin up, and inhale. Last round, you can do this with your eyes closed. Take a deep breath in, exhale fully, start expanding and contracting the stomach. Keep going in and out, in and out. Relax the stomach once done. Bring the chin up and breathe normally. This was a short practice to help you improve your digestive system and keep your gut healthy. You can do this every day on an empty stomach in the morning. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.